Fiducial is very important part of PCB and PCB footprint. For PCB footprint, we give two fiducials, and for PCB design, we use at least three fiducials. So usually the size of fiducial is 1 mm, minimum 1 mm the pad size, and 2 mm masking and keep out area. Uh, you can increase the size also. You can take 1.5 mm or 2 mm, but it should be maximum 3 mm. So how we can create fiducial? So to create fiducial, just open your pad stack editor. Here you can see that fiducial option is there. Just select the fiducial option, circle fiducial option. Go to design. Here select millimeter, select circle. Usually we keep minimum 1 mm pad size and 2 mm masking area. So I'm going to keep 2 mm masking area. Now fiducial is ready. We don't keep any paste mask since we are not going to place anything on fiducial. Okay. Now if fiducial is ready, alternative option you can keep out, can use keep out area 2 mm. File, save as FD1, fiducial one is the name of pad. Now just open and file, new, go to new fiducial. I'm going to use the name fiducial one. Uh, Click OK. Here, setup, design parameters. It is millimeter only. That's great. Set grid 0.1. Okay. And now just need to place your fiducial since it is mechanical. So just select mechanical option. Select FD1. This is the name of fiducial when I created pad. Just place it. See, your fiducial is ready, and add a reference star. Now your fiducial is ready. You can place, you can use this fiducial anywhere.